Today I'm going to be collecting some seeds from these Coleus plants. I actually started these from seed earlier in the season, and I had intended to plant them in the ground somewhere, and it's never happened. And most of them are flowering now, and I'm going to show you how to collect the seeds from these plants so that you can use those for the next growing season. Out of this bunch of Coleus, there really is only one plant here that has seeds you can actually collect. This one is just now putting out the flower buds, so it hasn't flowered yet. You want to make sure that they have flowered and the flowers have dried before you collect the seeds. This one right here is in the process of flowering. And you can tell this one has already flowered out and is starting to dry, so this one's getting close. This is close to how you want it to look when you get ready to collect seeds from your Coleus. You could tell here there's a lot of dried flowers. A lot of brown. There are still some fresh flowers you could see here, but this one will work, so we can go ahead and collect some seeds from the plants just in case. So what I like to do is take a Ziploc bag and place it over the stem. And then I can snip it, and then I can take it inside to collect the seeds. This is exactly the reason why I like to put it in a Ziploc bag. These are seeds that have come out, and as you can see, they are super tiny. So I'm just going to take this out. And I just do this to get the seeds to come out. And then these little small things right here are the seeds. You can separate these out from the petals. It is a little time consuming. I'm sure there's an easier way, but I really don't need to save that many, so I just kind of push these off to the side. The seeds also stick to my finger really well, so I could just take these and kind of dab it and move the seeds off to the side in a little pile. So the seeds for this are in these very tiny itty bitty flower buds that have dried up after they have flowered. Sometimes you do it this way, and there's the seed. As you can see, it's super tiny. Now keep in mind, if it is not an heirloom variety, which I'm pretty sure this one is not, there is a good chance that the plants that these seeds produce will not be the exact same color as the ones that you grew this year, which is fine, because this is still going to be free plants for me because I won't have to buy the seeds again. And that's part of the fun with gardening with me, is you just never know what you're going to get. Sometimes it's a complete dud and they just don't do very well at all. And then sometimes the seeds produce a beautiful plant and it's a win-win situation. Here are more than 50 seeds that I collected from that one stem of dried flowers on the Coleus plant. And I placed it beside a penny just to kind of give you an idea of how small these seeds are. Sometimes when I order seeds online, they come in these little clear plastic vials. I like to save these and use these for when I collect my own seeds. So I have a little container of these that I save. Now to put these in here, I like to use these little bathroom cups. Fold the paper up. Roll the seeds into the cup. That one's being stubborn. There. Then you can take the cup and squeeze it together like this and pour them into the vial. And here is my little container of Coleus seeds that I can now sow next spring. I also put this little vial in one of these seed saver envelopes. As you can see here, I've wrote the name of the plant on here, the month, and where I got the seeds from. That way I know next year. And I just put it in here. It's got a resealable little flap. I think I got these on Amazon. And then I can put this in my seed storage organizer that I made.